personalized medicine, AI is poised to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. But perhaps one of its most profound implications lies in the realm of gene editing, where the power to reshape life itself is now within our grasp. Deep within the heart of every cell lies a blueprint for life, DNA. This intricate molecule holds the instructions for building and maintaining an organism. Gene editing, as the name suggests, allows us to make precise changes to this blueprint. It's like using a microscopic pair of scissors to snip and paste segments of DNA, correcting errors or even introducing new traits. The implications of this technology are staggering. Imagine a world without genetic diseases, where inherited conditions like cystic fibrosis or Huntington's disease are eradicated before birth. Picture crops engineered to withstand harsh climates and resist disease, promising a future free from hunger. Gene editing holds the key to solving some of humanity's most pressing challenges. However, like any powerful tool, gene editing is not without its risks. The potential for unintended consequences, both ethical and biological, is significant. As we venture further into the uncharted territory of manipulating the building blocks of life, careful consideration and a measured approach are paramount. Gene editing, while immensely powerful, is a complex and labor-intensive process. Identifying the right genes to target, designing the editing tools, and analyzing the results requires immense precision and expertise. This is where AI steps in, offering a helping hand to accelerate and enhance the gene editing process. Think of AI as a tireless assistant, capable of sifting through mountains of data to identify promising gene targets, predicting the outcomes of edits with remarkable accuracy, and even automating some of the technical aspects of gene editing itself. This symbiotic relationship between AI and gene editing has the potential to unlock new frontiers in medicine, agriculture, and beyond. By automating tasks and providing valuable insights, AI empowers researchers to work more efficiently and effectively, accelerating the pace of discovery and bringing the promise of gene editing closer to reality. The impact of AI in gene editing is already being felt in laboratories and research centers around the world. One area where this synergy is particularly promising is in the development of personalized medicine. AI algorithms can analyze an individual's genetic makeup and medical history to predict their risk of developing certain diseases. This information can then be used to develop tailored treatments or even gene therapies that target the root cause of the disease. Imagine a future where cancer is treated not with debilitating chemotherapy, but with precisely targeted gene edits that eliminate cancerous cells without harming healthy tissue. This is the future that AI-powered gene editing promises to deliver. In agriculture, AI is being used to develop crops that are more resistant to pests, diseases, and harsh environmental conditions. This has the potential to increase food production, reduce reliance on pesticides, and improve food security for a growing global population. Section 5. A double-edged scalpel weighing the benefits and risks. Like any transformative technology, AI-powered gene editing is not without its risks. One concern is the potential for unintended consequences. Genes are interconnected in complex ways, and even a small change in one gene can have cascading effects on others. While AI can help predict these effects, our understanding of the genome is still incomplete. There is always a risk that an edit intended to cure a disease could inadvertently lead to other health problems. Another concern is the potential for misuse. In the wrong hands, AI-powered gene editing could be used to create designer babies with enhanced physical or cognitive abilities, exacerbating existing social inequalities and raising profound ethical dilemmas. The convergence of AI and gene editing is a watershed moment in human history. It gives us the power to reshape life itself, to cure diseases, enhance our abilities, and even alter the course of evolution. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we venture into this uncharted territory, we must proceed with caution, guided by ethical principles and a deep understanding of the potential consequences of our actions. The future is in our hands. Let us ensure that it is a future where AI and gene editing are used to benefit all of humanity, not just a select few. The path forward will require careful navigation, balancing the pursuit of scientific advancement with the imperative to protect human dignity and ensure equitable access to these transformative technologies. The ability to edit the very fabric of life raises profound ethical questions that demand careful consideration. Should we edit the human germline, making changes that will be passed down to future generations? What about the potential for genetic discrimination based on edited or unedited traits? These are not easy questions, and there are no simple answers. Open and transparent public discourse is essential to establish ethical guidelines for the use of AI-powered gene editing. We must engage with diverse perspectives, from scientists and ethicists to policymakers and the public, to ensure that these powerful tools are used responsibly and for the benefit of all. The decisions we make today will have far-reaching consequences, shaping the future of our species and the planet we inhabit. Another crucial aspect of this technological revolution is ensuring equitable access to its benefits. Will AI-powered gene editing be available only to the wealthy elite, further widening the gap between the haves and have-nots? Or can we create a future where these life-changing technologies are accessible to all, regardless of their socio-economic status? Addressing this issue will require a concerted effort from governments, industry leaders, and healthcare providers to make AI-powered gene editing affordable and accessible to everyone who needs it. Failure to do so could exacerbate existing inequalities and create a world where the genetically enhanced elite rule over the rest. The promise of AI and gene editing lies not just in their ability to cure disease and improve human lives, but also in their potential to create a more just and equitable world for all. As AI continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, its potential applications in gene editing are limited only by our imagination. Imagine a future where AI-powered gene editing is used to engineer personalized immune cells that can target and destroy cancer cells with pinpoint accuracy, or to create new organs for transplantation, eliminating the need for organ donation. We may even see the emergence of genetic prosthetics, artificial genes that can be inserted into the body to repair damaged tissues or enhance existing functions. The possibilities are both exhilarating and daunting, and it is our responsibility to ensure that this powerful technology is used wisely and for the benefit of all humankind. The future of AI and gene editing is a tapestry woven from threads of hope, uncertainty, and profound responsibility. By embracing a spirit of collaboration, ethical awareness, and a commitment to equitable access, we can harness the power of these transformative technologies to create a brighter future for generations to come.